In this video, you'll learn how to add a video listing on eBay. This process enhances your product presentation and can significantly increase buyer engagement. Begin by preparing your video file. Record a clear and concise product video that showcases all angles of the item. Ensure the lighting is bright and steady to avoid shadows that could obscure details, highlight key features of the product visually, and keep the duration short and informative, ideally under 2 minutes. Once you finish recording, save the file in a supported format, such as MP4 or AVI. Well-produced video can lead to higher conversion rates, making this step crucial. Next, navigate to eBay and sign into your account. Once logged in, locate the sell option, usually found at the top of the homepage. Click on it to open the listing editor. Scroll down to the media section of the listing editor. Here, you will see an option labeled Add Video. Click this option to begin the upload process. Select the video file from your device that you prepared earlier. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. After you select the file, wait for the upload process to complete. You may see a progress bar indicating the status of your upload. Once the upload is finished, a playback preview will appear. It's important to watch this preview to ensure the video displays correctly and plays without issues. Confirm that the video quality is satisfactory before proceeding to save your listing. Once you are satisfied with the video playback, return to the listing editor. For optimal presentation, place the video as the first media item if possible. Check that the thumbnail of your video looks clear and enticing. Ensure that the content of the video matches the product description to avoid misleading potential buyers. After making these adjustments, update your listing to save the changes. Optimizing your media can attract more buyers to your product. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.